If you're wondering how you can create a secure folder on your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to Settings, and in Settings, just tap on Security and Privacy. Under the Security and Privacy settings, just look for the option of More Security Settings, then tap on it and tap on Secure Folder. Now just tap on Continue and create your secure folder. Now from here it will take from a few seconds to a few minutes and it will create the secure folder on your tablet. Now from here just select a lock type for your secure folder. Now I will select the PIN. And from here just create a PIN which must consist of at least 4 digits. Now once you create your PIN, then tap on Continue and select Use Anyway. Now just enter your PIN one more time to confirm your PIN. Then select OK. Select Turn On. Then tap on Next. And as you can see, we have successfully created the secure folder on our tablet. And if we open the app drawer, as you can see, this is the secure folder on our tablet. And this is how you can create the secure folder on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.